Ganjapurkar. I am representing Amway here. This is my first time to CMPL and I'm quite impressed. Okay, basically, exhibitions are always, I'll say, great opportunities to learn from each other. The first thing was on my mind was to learn what's going on in the industry, and also to learn because I talked to Vicky. It got postponed from previous date, so quite impressed with the perseverance. So I also wanted to learn about whole process and how you guys are managing this for year on year for 11 times innovation, and then this is exactly the place where you get to see a lot of contract manufacturer who have done a great job from an India perspective in terms of innovation, and that is what we are exporting to the world and India market as a consumer. Now there are always opportunities, I'll say, more than challenges. Uh, yes, there are some short-term geopolitical things which will be coming. There will be supply chain disruptions, but at the same time, we are a big consumer market. We are a good export market, and the quality products from India are everywhere in the world.